RPM versus page RPM. Ad RPM and page RPM are valuable metrics that publishers use to analyze their ad performance. Here's how each metric is calculated. Ad RPM. Ad RPM is the ad revenue per 1,000 impressions. Ad RPM equals estimated earnings divided by ad impressions times 1,000. Page RPM. Page RPM is the rate that the advertiser has to pay for every 1,000 ad impressions viewed per page. Page RPM equals revenue divided by number of page views times 1,000. While these two metrics are quite similar, there is a substantial difference. Ad RPM shows the cost that the advertiser will have to pay for every 1,000 ad impressions served. Page RPM shows the rate that publishers are paid for ad impressions on their web pages. Page RPM helps publishers understand the performance of their ads on a page level. It allows them to identify low and high earning pages and strategize how to improve their performance. Several factors determine your page RPM, such as site niche, content quality, general seasonality, audience geographics, audience demographics. For more information, visit our blog post. The link is in the description below. That concludes our video for today. Want to learn how to become an AdSense expert? Introducing PubGuru University School of AdSense. With 36 on-demand videos and over 3.5 hours of content, we will help you become a Google AdSense expert. Enroll today.